Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can convert an image into a URL. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any type of preferred browser on your personal computer and search for imgbb.com. After that, you will be redirected to this type of web page. Here, click on the Start Uploading button at the top and then select the target image from your storage. Once selected, you will have a whole list of options for how long you would like to let it stay uploaded. I'm going to select the first one, then select Upload, and then wait for it to complete. Once it does, you will be able to choose the type of code you would like to generate. I'm going to generate a viewer link in my case, and then click on the Copy button. Once done, paste the link into a search bar and give it a go. You can see that the uploaded image is being displayed on the screen. So that's basically how you can convert an image into a URL. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.